The news of a multiple train collision in India's eastern Odisha state is deeply saddening and tragic. The loss of at least 50 lives and the hundreds of injuries resulting from this incident is truly devastating. Train accidents have the potential to cause significant damage and loss of life due to the high number of passengers they carry and the speed at which they travel. The priority now must be to provide immediate medical attention and support to the injured and ensure that they receive the best possible care. The local authorities and emergency services will undoubtedly be working tirelessly to rescue survivors and manage the aftermath of the collision. It is essential for the government to swiftly investigate the cause of the accident and take necessary measures to prevent similar incidents in the future. Train safety is of paramount importance, and incidents like this highlight the need for continuous efforts to improve infrastructure, enhance safety protocols, and invest in technology to prevent accidents. It is crucial for the government, railway authorities, and relevant stakeholders to prioritize passenger safety and make every possible effort to prevent such tragedies from occurring again. During this difficult time, our thoughts and condolences go out to the families and friends of those who lost their lives in this tragic incident. It is our hope that the injured make a swift recovery and receive the necessary support to cope with their physical and emotional trauma.
This is unbelievable. One of the world's deadliest train crashes has just occurred in India, killing close to 300 and injuring 1,000. It's being reported that 3 trains were involved in the crash, with one passenger train derailing onto the adjacent tracks, which was then collided into by another passenger train going the opposite direction. And then the debris from those two hit a third nearby stationary freight train. There was a massive 2,200 passengers. And what makes it worse is that the hospital is a 3-hour drive from where the trains collided. Unsurprisingly, the news has caused absolute fury, with people demanding answers as to how it's possible that 3 trains could collide in the same space, causing India's deadliest train accident in over 2 decades. One thing's for sure though, whatever's happening with trains in 2023 needs to bloody stop.
जाऊ सीरियस भाई हां एतार तो लोक नांती काढी देचंती पब्लिक हला सेपटे गुडा